If you've been recording on a Shure SM7B or its new version, the SM7DB, then you probably notice quite a bit of hiss in your audio tracks. This happens because both of these microphones are known to be very gain hungry, meaning it takes a lot of gain from your audio interfaces to power them, so naturally that's just going to introduce a bit of noise to your recordings. But not to worry, because there's a very simple solution for this issue, which is the Waves NS1 noise suppressor plugin. And yes, this is a paid plugin, but in my humble opinion, it is so worth the investment, and I definitely recommend it to musicians, content creators, podcasters, and live streamers. Once you have it downloaded, this is what the plugin looks like. And one of the reasons why I love this plugin is that it's only one knob. So all you have to do is bring it up and you're going to notice that all of that hiss gets removed. So let's have a listen. This is what the Shure SM7DB sounds like on its own. And this is what it sounds like with the NS1 plugin engaged. And here's a pro tip for using this plugin. But before I share it with you, if you're getting value out of this video, then don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. The biggest piece of advice that I can give you when using this plugin is to not push it too hard. What I mean by that is you want to try to keep the settings below 10, because I found if you push them way too hard, it's just going to make your recording sound really unnatural. So let me show you exactly what I mean. You're listening to the Shure SM7DB, and the NS1 is set to 0, but as I bring up the settings to 10, this is what the microphone sounds like. And then if we bring the settings all of the way up, you could probably tell that it sounds very muffled and unnatural. So for me, the sweet spot's always going to be anywhere from 3 to 7, but of course, your settings may be different. If you want to buy this plugin, the link is down in the description below. And if you want to learn how to fully mix your vocals recorded on this exact microphone model, then make sure to click on this video and I'll share with you my entire vocal chain.